Okay, good morning students. Today I am going to give you all the question answers, the grammar part of the whole lesson from here. This may take one part or two part, I don't know. Let's see how it goes on. Okay, the 9th standard lesson number 5, a question of a space written by Meera Kashyap. Let us go to the glossary. Pondered, hit or throw. Cosmos. Cosmo is everything. Okay, whole world is called as a cosmos. Universe, our whole universe is called as a cosmos. Daft, that is the adjective, is silly or foolish. Glee, the noun, that is the happiness or delight. Glee, that is tumba santosha, no, neither that you laugh, then you just glue it in face, that is the happiness. Jackings, useless and unwanted. Weary, provoking. Scorn, contentment or disrespect. Chaff, irritated, annoyed, ಬೇಸರಪಡಿಸುವುದು. Dejection, sadness, depression. Agitated, disturbed or disturbing. Objectively, without prejudice, without any bias, okay, without any doubts, without any remark, that is called bias. BIAS, bias. Refrain, avoiding doing or abstaining, ತಪ ಮಾಡುವುದು. Abstaining doing, avoiding doing. You want to do that but you are avoiding. You want to eat but you don't, you avoid because you are fasting, so you don't. Food is there but you avoid. Okay, that is called refrain from. Hobnob, associated, go around with. Hobnobbing with his friend, going around with his friend Anuj, going around. He looks like wasting the time, but he is learning something from Anuj. No, it is confrontation, disagreement. Now here comes the comprehension. Rearrange them and complete the chart given below. I will read the first one so that later we'll rewrite it. Anuj had started journalism on his own and took up photography later. Second, it will help you witness your reactions as if they were planning to someone else. Third, he felt the needed time to pursue his own interests and pleasure, especially after he met Anuj. The conflict had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj. If you still have not found out what do you intended to enroll, Anuj had turned into a friend very quickly, much older friend. It seemed to me the pursuit is worse for children of doctors. Eighth one, his class grades had dropped. He was started skipping Group actions. Rewriting the sentences. Okay. The first one, you mark it if you want in the book, then you write later. The conflict had acquired a distinct edge ever since he had met Anuj. This is the first sentence. Fourth one became the first sentence. Second, Anuj had turned into a friend very quickly, a much older friend. Original fifth sentences became the second sentence. Third, his class grades had dropped. He was started skipping group tuitions. Original eighth sentence became the third sentence. Fourth one, Anuj had started journalism on his own and took up the photography later. Original first sentence became a fourth sentence. Fifth one, it seems to me that the pressure is worse for children of doctors. Original seventh sentence became the fifth sentence. Sixth sentence, it will help you witness your occasions as if they were happening in someone else. Your original second sentence became the sixth sentence. Seventh one, if you still have not found out, when do you intend to enroll? Original fifth sentence became the seventh sentence. The last eighth one, he felt he needed time to pursue his own interest and pleasure, especially after he met Anuj. Your third sentence became the eighth sentence. I hope I am clear to you on this part. The next comes C3. Answer the following question 3 or 4 sentences each. First question. Vikrant's mother was harping on the importance of the ear. What was she anxious about Vikrant? Answer. Vikrant's mother was anxious that he was spending more time for the preparation medical entrance exams, and she brought that PUC first year was an important one to prepare for that exam. Question number 2. Anuj had spawned into Vikrant's life like a new universe. Why did Vikrant feel so? Who was Anuj? Answer. Anuj was a friend of Vikrant, he was not just a person with dynamic ideas, on photography, on the connectedness between human beings and all other living spaces. Full stop. He gave new ideas to Vikrant for self-analysis, particularly the body language of the self and how to control expressions and feelings. Third question. The identity of Vikrant with Anuj created tension between Vikrant and his parents. Answer. Vikrant's class grades had dropped. He had begun skipping group tuition school classes designed for the weekend, has only drilled a tension between Vikrant and his parents. So did his identity with Anuj. Fourth question. Vikrant said medicine is considered gives prestige. Is this thought prejudice? Do you agree with his opinion? Answer. To say medicine in the noblest of all professions or prestigious in only prejudice. This is only a false notion. Full stop. There are so many doctors who lost respect due to ignorable activities. Instead, every profession is noble and prestigious, if one takes it with a total commitment to be the best in the field, the most satisfaction of the users. Fifth one. What was the reply of Anuj? And Vikrant asked him how his suggestion would help him. Answer. Anuj said that it will help him in witness his reaction by observing his body and its reaction, and also he can keep them away from him, which will help to control his reactions. Question number 6. When did Vikrant start his self-observation? What did he observe? Refer to the paragraph 23 and 25. Answer. He observed self-observation during dinner at night when his father started bombarding on Vikrant's wasteful spending time with Anuj, who he considered as a junkie. These words sent art through his body, making him to leave the room without talking anything. Seventh one. How did Vikrant's father try to convince him to join tuition for a medical entrance? Answer. His father used to say about that tuitions for medical entrance exam were not merely a tuitions, but they were special coaching classes for highly competitive exams. Eighth one. What are the last 2 steps of self-observations suggested by Anuj to Vikrant? Anuj advised Vikrant about self-observation. If the active movement which had to be controlled, but it is not to be expressed. Full stop. Then the next and the last step was to express emotion opposite to what he feels. Ninth one. He did this with the awareness that it was the right thing for him to do. What does awareness refer to here? Answer. The awareness referred to here is he is going to be accept to for the medical entrance test. He did it, he wanted to do a medical course. 10th one, a word space inverted comma in the title of the lesson has a significant reference. Comment on the title. It is the right title. The space, original meaning is vacuum. Taking time, taking gap to think proper can be seen in the whole of the lesson. So that the title space is appropriate for this.